good afternoon actually right now. Yes, good afternoon.
Sonali, yes. Tell us a few words about your association with us.
Go ahead, come there to you.
Of course, I might definitely join. Tell us a few words about your association with us. How does it feel being here?
Well, it's 20 years of Oriflame and a big hand for that. So, I think this is my 4th year association with Oriflame. I've enjoyed every minute of it. It's been inspirational because every time I come and every one of these events that I attend, I meet these hundreds of faces, beautiful stories, amazing, inspirational stories, because there are, it's not just about a product, it's about the dreams behind it, the stories behind it, and I love stories. From childhood I've always loved them, we all love them, and the medium I am in also gives very well to stories, so that's something that I always look forward to. So yes, Oriflame is very, very special, not only because of the empowerment of women that it produces, because you know, it's very easy to sit somewhere and talk about what you should do for women and everything, but going down and actually giving them that extra income is what actually empowers women and nothing else. So I think this is true feminism for me, is when you actually empower your regular housewives who can step out while taking care of all their responsibilities. I always say that, especially in India, we have so many other things. We have joint families, you have your in-laws, your parents, it's a never-ending circle, which is great. You love it because it also gives you the support system. But it's so easy to kind of get trapped in it, caught up in it, and get lost in it. And I feel every wonderful person here, all of these women are so beautiful from inside also. Just to get that opportunity to be able to step out and make that little bit of your own money is so important. Nothing more empowering than that. So, big hand to all of you. Having said that, I have to say that all this is great, but the main thing about Oriflame is its wonderful products.
Yay!
And we cannot deny that.
Absolutely. Tell us about your favorite one.
Couple of them. First thing that I have to say is that I've used so many products across the world, and I don't get value for money the way I get in Oriflame.
Wow. Fantastic!
It's amazing the kind of quality that you get at the price. It's amazing. A lot of times I would find that, you know, a lot of brands that come to India, the product quality that I find in Europe is always a little different from what comes to India. Oriflame is one product, the product consistency is the same. What quality you get in Europe is amazing. You are not getting a substandard product, you're getting the best product possible at an amazing price, and that's, I think, amazing value for money. So that is one thing. E-Collagen, amazing range.
Let's hear about E-Collagen from you.
You know, my sister hounds me for it. She loves it.
I know that.
She stays in Amsterdam and I have to send it to her there. Can you imagine? I'm like, I love it. Can you please send more of it? And she can't have enough of it. So, yes, that is. And I think this new range that they have come out with now, there are lovely colors. Yes, I'm really looking forward to those colors that have come out, and especially the lipstick colors that they come out with are amazing and so wearable. So that is something that I'm really looking forward to. I think they have the beauty from inside. There's an exhibition going on. There are some makeup experts. So they have been telling me that they're not showing me the new colors as yet. I mean, just saw pictures of it, but the actual products I have to go down and see.
So आप सबके लिए invite है सोनाली की तरफ से भी, please खत्म होने के बाद ये सेशन नीचे पर्ल में जाएं, हमारे एग्जीबिशन को ना मिस करें.
Yeah, absolutely. They have makeup experts also to tell you how to use the colors, and it's an amazing range, new range. So really looking forward to it, and it's lovely. It's matte colors. I've always liked them more than shinier, so I'm really looking forward to this range. So yes, lots of things to look forward to. Another year to start, and I can see so many happy faces, and I'm sure you're doing a lot of lovely, happy things. So I shall leave you to that. And
no, we will have you for 2 more minutes because
okay.
you'll have questions, right?
Yes.
Sonali, किसके पास question है? Oh, couple of them. Oh God, and there are people who are. Can we have the mic passed around? शिफाली हमें
नमस्ते, आपका नाम?
डियर सोनाली जी।
जी, आपका नाम?
मौसमी फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर।
हाय मौसमी।
प्लीज ए क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। क्या आपको किसी ने रेकमेंड किए थे कोलाजन, या आप मतलब कि ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होने के बाद यूज किए?
ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होने के बाद मैंने ई कोलेजन यूज किया। उससे पहले आई यूज्ड टू यूज द आपकी जो फुट स्पास हैं, जो फुट क्रीम्स, हैंड क्रीम्स हैं, वो यूज किए थे, बहुत लाइक किए थे उनको। लेकिन ये मैंने ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने के बाद ट्राई किया था और आई हैव रियली लाइक द प्रोडक्ट।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू मौसमी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट लवली क्वेश्चन।
हाय सुनाली मैम, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कलर कॉस्मेटिक भी क्या ऑरिफ्लेम का ही यूज़ करती हैं?
बहुत बार, इनफैक्ट कई बार, जैसे मैंने कहा, मुझे लिपस्टिक्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं ओरिफ्लेम के, क्योंकि ड्राई नहीं होते हैं, मॉइस्ट रहते हैं, और दैट काइंड ऑफ कंडीशंस माय लिप्स, सो आई रियली लाइक दिस लिपस्टिक्स।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आपका नाम वी नीड टू नो।
अमृता मौर्य।
अमृता, थैंक यू अमृता।
सोनाली मॅम नमस्कार, माझं नाव सलीम.
कशा?
एकदम आनंद. तुम्ही कशा?
एकदम.
प्रश्न नाही आहे, फक्त एक रिक्वेस्ट. सगळं अरेंजच्या मध्ये ऐकलं.
मी गाणं म्हणू शकत नाही, तुम्ही सगळे म्हणून चालू करणार. मी गाणं म्हणायला लागले तर
सोनाली बोल रही है अगर मैंने गाना शुरू कर दिया तो यहाँ से सब भाग जाएंगे। क्या हम इसे अग्री करते हैं?
अच्छी बात नहीं है, but some things God doesn't give you everything.
बरं मॅम, एक
मी थोडं प्रॅक्टिस करूया नेक्स्ट टाइम ना. Old for that. Never too old for that.
Hi Sonali, my name is Archana.
Hi.
I want to ask you, if you were to look at Oriflame as a woman, how would you describe her?
अर्चना यह पूछ रही हैं कि अगर आप ओरिफ्लेम को एक वुमेन की तरह देखें तो इसे कैसे डिस्क्राइब?
What is your perception?
It's totally woman. It has its depth and yet it's beautiful. So, and I think that's the complete package. There is nothing, the strongest, they are pretty, women are pretty, they're beautiful, and yet have the will of iron. They have the depth in them to take amazing amount of load on them, and that's what I think Oriflame somewhere shows you. This product has its heart in the right place.
Yes, next question please.
Hello, Sonali ma'am.
Hi.
Myself Neetu.
Hi.
I'm your biggest fan since Hama Hama.
Thank
And
you.
I request you keep on going with the things like Hama Hama. Don't stop.
Thank you, but I think Hama should let go off now.
No.
I enjoy doing a lot of other things now. मुझे हमेशा लगा है कि हर एक उम्र की एक हर वक्त का एक काइंड ऑफ नज़रिया होता है देखने का, एक मेंटल स्टेट होता है, और आई रियली बिलीव कि जो हुआ है उसको बहुत एंजॉय किया है, पर उससे अभी आगे बढ़ने का वक्त है, और आई डोंट बिलीव इन लिविंग इन द पास्ट. सो आई वुड रियली लाइक टू लुक एट फ्यूचर, लुक एट न्यूअर थिंग्स, एंड नॉट कीप डूइंग व्हाट आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन. आई वांट टू मीट न्यू challenges, I want to do new things. You look beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay.
Hello ma'am.
Hi.
I'm Kaushal from Ahmedabad branch. मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे. It's not a dance, not a song. हमारा जो ओरिफ्लेम अपलॉज है, जो हमें पॉजिटिव एनर्जी देता है ओरिफ्लेम में काम करना, प्लीज.
I would love to know this. So can you come up here and tell me how to do it?
So we will do it together, right? We will do the Oriflame applause together. So, Nicholas, can we have you on the stage? It's not complete without you. Please put your hands together for Mr. Nicholas Prince.
गाइस प्लीज नीचे चलो
India #1 and 2016. I think everybody should use that son. Every time he does something good, and we say, okay, let's do the Oriflame clap.
Yes, let's have the last question, if you can. Yeah. One more.
Hello.
I think the last question.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
मेरा नाम नीतू जायसवाल है। हेलो। मैं ये आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे बॉलीवुड एक बहुत ग्लैमरस है ना, और सेम में ये ऑरिफ्लेम फील्ड में आने के बाद मुझे ये रियलाइज होता है कि हमारा ये भी बहुत ग्लैमरस है। If you can join Oriflame, तो मुझे लगता है within first month you become a diamond director. Prospect you, please join with me.
I'm a wonderful part of Oriflame. I am Oriflame. My family.
हमारे लिए सोनाली का स्थान हमारे लिए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर। Yes,
Hello.
last question. Yes, sir.
Yes, Sonali, Vimal this side. Basically, she has left my question. My question is, seems funny, but it's not funny. I am serious. Can you join Oriflame with us as a consultant?
Oriflame already.
As a consultant, because now you know the Oriflame 2016,000 crores. That means you are very close to Oriflame. You are perfect for Oriflame. That's why I am asking, can you join Oriflame as a consultant?
What do I have to do as a consultant?
You have to just sign up.
1000 crore की जर्नी में सोनाली का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है, और वो अपने स्थान में परफेक्ट है. So do we want her to be there, right? Yes. Right. Can I call back Merit and Nicholas on stage so that we can take this session further? Yes. Thank you, Merit. Thank you, Nicholas.
I don't think that there's any other thing able to provide such an amazing company. And I also don't think that you need to become diamond director because you are already diamond in our catalog. No, yeah, your pictures are something which really makes our catalog very different.
Thank you so much. You know what? Please have these events more often. Let's have it more often so I can hear more compliments. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.